So now let us see few more examples on integration testing.
Okay.
Okay. And before that, I think I have covered few positive scenarios on the previous
The Gmail example. Yeah.
So now let us go and see the negative scenarios. Okay.
Okay.
What happened is today is Saturday, no?
Sir, for you, for us, it is Friday.
For you, it's still Friday night.
Okay. Inbox and spam, right?
Log inbox, spam. Yes, sir. And log out.
And log out.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me, you have covered all positive scenarios, no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now you need to tell me the negative scenarios, okay? So negative scenarios means data flow should be done. See, listen, data flow should be done. Like there is a module. From A module to B module is there. Okay. The data is flowed from A module to B module. Then if you do some changes in the scenario or some creatively if you are thinking and if you are telling, that will be a negative scenario. Okay. So yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what I have given an example. Yes or no? Reena?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So now there is A module, B module. I will transfer the data or I will turn off the internet. Okay. I will turn off the internet and I will transfer the data. See, I will not care whether the data is transferred or not, but still I will go to my other module and I will check.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And I will send the data to one of the module. I will go to the next module and I will check whether the data is received. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Apart from
So
these,
when
these
you
two,
say module, sir, you're
this
saying
is
module
module.
means
Yeah.
log into inbox and inbox to spam, right?
Yes, yes.
Inbox to spam. Okay. I just want to double check because the wording is different.
Module is feature, feature is module.
Yep.
Login
got
is
it.
a
Thank you.
module and feature. Spam is also module or feature. Okay.
Thank you.
So now tell me the negative scenarios.
Sir, if A is inbox and B is spam.
No. You don't compare this.
Okay.
Now tell me scenario here itself.
Okay.
So can you like I
Yes.
can come up with one, but you tell me if it's right or wrong. So
Yes.
you can say that, user A
Mm.
open the Gmail
Yes.
account and negative inbox selected onto the no, hold on for a second.
Negative inbox, sir.
In negative inbox, select one mail and move into the spam, negative to the spam, and open the checkbox.
What do you mean by negative? I don't understand what you are telling.
Because since we are doing negative testing, right?
So
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so user A opened the Gmail account and navigate to the inbox, select one mail and move to the spam, and navigate to spam and open and check the email is there or not.
So very good, but there or not, you said no.
Yeah,
Check whether the mail is there or not, or check whether the
yeah,
mail is present or not. There
right.
should be no negative wording in the scenario. You should not use not.
Oh,
Whether it is
Okay.
displayed or not, whether it
okay.
is went or not. See, you are a test engineer, you know the requirement. Yes or no? Based on the
Yes, sir.
requirement, you are writing the test scenarios and test cases, which will be present or not means you are only not sure. If you
So
are not
my
sure,
question
then
is,
how can you
sir,
test the software?
Correct.
yeah, that's why I'm confused over there, right? So
Yeah,
when you say let's test the negative scenario, right?
yeah,
So when
yeah.
we are testing the negative scenario, what is the outcome? Like, how do you say it in the language?
So negative scenario means I have transferred the data from inbox to spam.
Right.
Yes or
Yeah, I
no?
got that point.
The data
Yep,
is
I got that.
transferred, and
Mm-hmm.
you need to check whether the data is received or not in any other modules. Why in another modules means
Right.
I'm not sure. See, let me give an example. Inbox spam is there. Let me take one example. Out of this, let me teach you so you will understand. Okay.
Okay.
There is inbox. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
There is spam.
Okay.
There is all mails. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In your Gmail, there is all mails where it consists of all the mails. So if I move a particular mail from inbox to spam, the data is
Okay.
transferred.
Yes.
Right.
That mail also should present in my all mails.
All mails.
Okay. Got it.
Got it? So
Yep. Makes sense.
log in as user A, go to inbox, select a mail and move to spam. Go to spam, check whether the mail is displayed. Okay.
Right.
So mail
Right.
is displayed, testing is passed. Next, I mean data is flowed. Same scenario. See here, login as user A to the whatever the Gmail. Select a mail in the inbox, move to spam, go to all mails, check whether the mail is displayed.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it? So the
Yes.
mail is
Yeah.
displayed or not, we should not use. Obviously, all mails means which include all the mails. So I can tell
Okay.
that it will display and it is present in the requirement. What is the guarantee that it is flowed only to spam and all mails? The developer is written the code, integration code between the modules.
Okay.
There is something called a starred,
Okay.
where in the mail, I don't know that the mail is also flowed to star or not. As a test engineer, you need to test. The data is flowed to spam and all mails. That is correct. But what is the guarantee the
Okay.
data is not flowed for the star? Until
What's
unless
that?
you check no. Starred. Starred is one of the feature
Oh,
where
star.
many
Okay. Star.
many
Star.
important mails are there that you can add to star.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Got it?
Star. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what you are doing now?
So,
You will do the data transfer that is from
yeah,
inbox to spam,
yeah.
and you will
Right.
go to start and you will check whether the mail is displayed. Check whether the
So,
mail is, but you should not tell or not.
okay, okay. But, sir, uh,
Hmm.
starred is a different functionality. You have to
Yes,
go and click on
yes.
star to put it in
Hmm.
the starred mail. Whereas
That
the
is
actual,
positive. That is
uh,
positive scenario. See, if
yeah.
you go to inbox, select a mail and make it start. Go to start, check whether the mail is displayed. That is positive scenario.
Okay. Yeah,
Because the
check
data
this out. Yeah,
you know that the data should transfer from inbox to start because
correct.
that
Yeah,
is there in the
yeah,
requirement.
yeah.
But something, if
Okay.
it is not there in the requirement, but still you are trying. This is creatively you are thinking. The software may not work or may work. You don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Initial days, no.
Yes.
So you are checking in start because sometimes the data may transfer as well.
Correct.
Okay. Sir, can you
Okay.
give one example, sir? Okay. Let me take my application only, what I'm testing. I will
Hmm.
select an item. Okay. I will add this to the cart.
Hmm.
You guys know, simple way.
Yeah.
Since I added the
Mm-hmm.
item for the cart, I can go for the checkout.
Hmm.
Right.
Yes or
Hmm.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But I just done a creative testing. I went for a wish list as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
This is not mentioned in my requirement, boss. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Item should go to cart. In the cart, I need to check, and I need to check for the checkout, and I need to do the testing. Okay, that is one way of testing whether the data is flowed or not. But what I have done
Right.
Mm-hmm.
creatively, I checked in my wish list, but I found the same item which was present in the cart.
Okay.
Right.
It means by thinking creatively, I got to know that there is some mismatches going on. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
I communicated to developer, he fixes the defect. This is
Okay.
how I transferred the data to A module to B module,
Hmm.
but I
Okay.
went and I checked in the C module.
Hmm.
I
Yeah.
checked in B module as well as a positive. First, always you
Mm-hmm.
should cover a positive. Later, you need to go for the negative. No,
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yeah.
got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
So,
Right.
yeah, this is how we need to do the negative.
Okay.
Next, what I'll do, I will log in. I will go to inbox.
Mm-hmm.
I will select a mail and I will turn off the internet.
Hmm.
After
Okay.
turning off the internet, I will
Hmm.
select the mail and I will move that mail to spam.
Hmm.
Okay.
I will go to spam and I will check whether the mail is received or mail
Hmm.
is displayed. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
If the mail is displayed, then
It is a positive testing.
if the
Yeah.
mail is not displayed,
Negative testing.
That's a negative.
the mail should be displayed or should not be displayed.
Um,
Should be displayed. It's a
should,
positive.
yeah, so we are looking for negative testing. So it should
You are
not be tested.
turning
Not.
off, no, you turned off
Mhm.
internet,
Yeah.
Rina. So how
Yeah.
the mail will
That's
display there?
yeah. That's what I said.
So mail
Right.
should
The
not display. Mail
turn off is not
not
displayed. On
should
is
not
on is
display.
displayed.
If it should
Yep.
not display means I can tell my testing is pass
Fast.
because no internet connection.
So
My software should not work.
yeah.
If mail is still display,
Then it
it
is a
is
defect.
working. It is working in offline also.
Hmm.
See, there is no web application will work in offline. You turn
Hmm.
off the
Okay.
internet
Got
and
it.
you turn off internet and join my class possible. Ah?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Got it.
Mm-hmm.
It
Yeah.
may
Yeah.
be a defect.
Mm-hmm.
Something
It's
went
other
wrong
way
in the
around.
application.
Yep.
No.
Something went wrong in the application. Got it?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Now write two scenarios. Let me see.
So
Two
one
negative.
is this internet one, correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
write it down or
Yeah, write it down. How to write?
okay.
I will tell. Okay, write down. Login as user A.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Navigate to inbox and select a mail.
Okay. Logging into user A.
Log into Gmail as user A or login as user A. Navigate to
Mm-hmm.
inbox and select a mail.
Mm-hmm.
Move it to select a mail. Turn off the internet.
Okay.
Turn off the internet. Move to spam. Move to spam. Go to spam.
Go to spam. Yes, sir.
Check whether the mail is displayed. Okay, that's it. Check whether the mail is displayed. Okay.
Sir, why can't we write like, because this is a negative scenario, sir. So when we put the word whether, so we are still like questioning. It may be, it may be not. So
check whether the mail is displayed. If the mail is displayed, because obviously you are expecting, no, data is transferred or not, you are not sure.
okay. Got it. Okay, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Because we don't know what happened after you turned off the internet.
You
Yes.
know the requirement.
Yes.
You are doing the data transfer, but you are
Okay.
not sure that the data is transferred or not. So you should
Yeah.
use the word called as should.
Okay.
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 Okay. Got it.
You have written the 10th exam. You should pass. You should pass, no?
Yes. Yeah. Correct.
Or you have to pass.
Well,
You
depend
got
on
it,
the,
right?
You
yeah.
should.
Yes.
You should pass.
You
Yeah,
should.
that's.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now let us go for the another application. Not another application. Let me give you an example of the same application, but you will understand better. So user A. User A, this is a home page. Logged in. Okay. Home page consists of inbox, sent items. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Start. Next spam. All mails. Next we have important. Let me take logout. Okay.
Can you use junk as well? Sometimes people say, no, check your junk mail. Probably mail went into that, in that
No.
junk.
What? Okay. Now let us see. I left the main module compose only. Without compose, you can't do anything. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Compose is a module where
You write it.
you will write. Without writing,
Yeah.
how can you send the mail? No, common sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
And how the mail will work? Inbox, junk waste, sent items waste, starred waste. So this is what we'll call it as a main module. What is this?
Right.
Main
Main
module.
Main
module.
module. Okay. Without this
Yeah.
module, this application is waste.
Yep.
Without composing a mail, no other modules are working or will work.
True.
So now let us go. Log into Gmail. Yes or no? We are talking about Gmail.
Okay. Yeah. Yep.
As user A, compose a mail and send a mail. To whom? To user B. Compose a mail means write a mail and send a mail to user B.
Okay.
Go to sent items. Check whether the mail is sent.
Okay.
I got it. Whatever the mails
Yes,
you will
sir.
send, that
Yeah.
will be present in your sent items.
Correct. Yeah.
Right.
Sir, why this module is evolved means, let me give an example. I have transferred a very important mail to one of the company. Okay.
Hmm.
There was no sent items. Let me take an example. I composed and I sent to user B.
Hmm.
It went to user B's inbox.
Hmm. Hmm.
Very important mail, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me take the complete business is depending upon that particular mail, and that should be replied within 1 or 2 days. Got it?
Okay.
That fellow went to vacation or Christmas season. No, he went for a trip.
Huh.
I think no many holidays you will get now.
Yeah.
Around Navratri is there, Dasara is
Yes.
there, Christmas is there.
Hmm.
So he planned for a trip. He went for Malaysia trip. He's
Okay.
not checked his mail.
Hmm.
After your boss only, same company
Hmm.
boss.
Mm-hmm.
He came back after 2 days and he's asking me, where is the report?
Hmm.
I told boss, I already sent you. I mailed
Hmm.
you. Sir,
Hmm.
no, I have done right.
Yes.
Have
Yeah.
I done any mistake? No.
No.
That fellow is shouting on me in a
Hmm.
meeting where 100
Hmm.
members are sitting.
Hmm.
He is not checked his mail. If he check also, the mail will be present,
Hmm.
but that fellow will not check since he need to portray himself that he worked, you are in the trip.
Hmm. Hmm.
Got it. In
Mm-hmm.
the trip also he worked
Yeah.
sincerely.
Hmm.
Third class fellow is
Hmm.
got it. And
Hmm.
he blamed me. So I felt
Hmm.
bad. I left the job.
Okay.
Company went under the
Okay.
loss. Later they have closed the company itself. Let me
Okay.
satisfy myself also, no? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So this is not correct. So Gmail seen this.
Hmm.
Okay, let me give confirmation to the users as well. If I send
Hmm.
a mail, the mail will go to the sent item.
Current items. Yeah.
Okay, got
Yes,
it.
sir. Yeah.
So as soon as I
Yeah.
send a mail, that will come and store in the sent items. Boss went for a trip, he will tell I have not received. I will show the mail which is present in my sent items. Already I sent.
Yeah.
If you receive, then only it will come to sent items, or
Correct. Hmm.
it will go to if you
Draft.
send a mail and it no not a draft
Okay.
outbox.
Oh.
There is
Okay.
something called as outbox where the mail will stay, and there is a draft.
Okay.
What is
Okay.
the difference between outbox and draft means? If you
Hmm.
enter a
Hmm.
wrong mail ID, if you enter, it
Hmm.
will come and store in the outbox, and also it will notify you the mail is not sent.
Oh.
Got
Hmm.
it? If you
Okay.
Yeah.
enter some wrong mail ID, that time it will show.
Okay.
Assume you entered all the details in the mail. Instead of sent, you just closed the application.
Okay.
Okay, you have not sent the mail.
Yes, sir.
Whether user is,
Okay.
I mean, the user B account, I mean, user B's mail ID is correct or not, I don't know.
Yeah.
But I am not completely sent that. Did not click on send button.
Yeah.
Send button
Okay.
will be there. No, I'm not clicked that, but
Yes.
I closed my application. If I
Uh-huh.
open, if I want to check what and all I have written in that mail,
Huh.
see, I have taken 20-25 minutes to write a mail. Got it?
Yeah. Yes,
And
sir.
immediately I just closed because I had some work. So that 20
Okay.
minutes work should be reserved, right?
Live. Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
where it should be present, it should be present in my something called as draft. This is how the our Gmail is started to evolve. Everything
Correct.
is present in Gmail. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let
Yeah.
us see. And I am teaching you the requirement. You guys
Hmm.
understanding?
Mm-hmm.
If
Yeah.
you get the time, you need to
Mm-hmm.
study your requirement, but I don't have a time and I don't have a requirement also. So I'm just teaching you guys what is requirement.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So inbox means the mail which you received.
Hmm.
It means can I tell user A sent,
Hmm.
user A sent the mail and user B received means
Hmm.
user A's compose will go and store in user B's inbox.
Correct.
Yeah.
Got it? That's it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, sent items you understood. Start. If I select a mail and I make it as a start, the mail will be present in the start.
Correct.
And spam you guys
Okay.
understood. All mails means
Yeah.
all the mails again it should come and store here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because you don't know whether it is in the sent items or it is in the start or it is in the important, that time you will get confused. So you will go to all mails one by one, you will check. So you will get it.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Outbox means what? If the mail is not sent, no, then it
Yes.
will show
Yeah.
like one notification. Hey, what
Okay.
is this one? What happened? Whether the mail is went or not. There will be details. The user's account is not exist in the Gmail. Please check
Okay.
the user's account, something like that. So you check and you will update. You will send a mail. As soon as you send the mail, it will go to the inbox sent items. Sent items. Got it?
10 items. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now there is something called as draft. If you compose a mail and instead of sending a mail, cancel the mail or close the application and reopen it again. Okay, cancel or reopen. That time, that mail, whatever you have written, that will go and store in your draft.
Draft. Hmm.
Log out means log out, coming
Yeah.
out from the application.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Now analyze the requirement. What I said.
Hmm.
I'll give you 1 minute of time.
Is it integration testing?
Integrations pass the data. Yes, it is integration testing only. See, previously I have taken example of only inbox and send
Yeah.
and spam and logout. No,
Yeah.
where I bounded the positive and negative mails. Only
Yep.
you can do 4 positive and only you can do 1 negative.
For negative. Yeah.
Got it? There is no other
Yes.
Yeah.
negative scenarios. If you
Yeah.
tell me another
Oh.
negative scenario, I will transfer you $100 from India to your account.
Oh.
So it is not possible.
Yeah.
There is no negative. Okay, I know that
Yeah.
concept.
Yeah.
So only I
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
changed my requirement, added few modules more. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you just analyze the requirement and discuss with you guys. I will come in 2
Okay.
minutes, or
Okay,
it may
sir.
be 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what? See, the requirement that, as per the discussion, I see that the user should compose the mail using compose button,
Right.
and it should be received in the inbox of user B. Right?
So we can use that as a
Requirement.
we can use that wording in between requirement or navigate, right? I
Yes,
think
navigate.
then
No,
you
I
can
think
connect. Yeah, you
yes,
can connect A and B.
correct. Yeah. So when we write test scenario, then we can use the word navigate. Because remember requirements, when you write requirements, it is not so much
Yeah.
structured language, right? But here,
Yep.
if user
True.
A is writing the mail, so we can say yes, user A, we should not use the word. Yeah, we should use the word, correct? User A
Yeah, we should use the word. Yep.
should be able to write the mail and send it to the user B. Maybe
Yep.
should be, yeah, it means like you are writing an email and sending it to another user. But when you write
Yep.
the
User B.
scenario, yeah, but when you write the scenario, we have to write it like in a very structured language, like login as user A, then navigate to compose,
Navigate to the compose and then write
yeah,
the email
write the
and then
email.
send it to user B.
We will ask sir, should we also write this that enter the email ID of user B and send it Because see, if you open the email and you're composing an
They
email,
ask for the ID, yeah, email ID.
exactly, yeah, and it will be like the text field, right, where you're
Yeah,
entering
text
the,
field, yep.
yeah,
The
so
email
enter,
address.
yeah, so we can write like enter the email ID, enter the email ID of user B in the text field, navigate to send button, click the send button, then navigate to sent emails of user A, check whether the mail sent
The
is
email
there.
is there. Yep.
Right? Then if you're writing, so what do you think, Reena, we have to write the user B's test scenario different now as the second scenario, like login as user B into
Look,
Gmail, like that, because how will you check that user B has received it? Like I'm saying that,
we should ask her. I think that's a good question.
yeah, because as user A, we went to sent mails, we checked that yes, the mail is gone. So that
It's
is one
gone.
scenario
It's
only
there.
from, yeah, user A's point of view. So in the same scenario, if we write user B, then it doesn't make sense because you have to log in as a user B again. So will it be like, okay, navigate to sent items, click on sent items, and then check whether the mail has been sent, period. Then second will be log out as user A, period, log in as user B to
The
Gmail,
user B. Yep.
correct, yeah. And then navigate to uh, inbox, check whether the email
Mail is
is,
there.
yeah, whether the mail is there,
Displayed.
yeah,
Displayed. Not there.
yeah,
Displayed.
not the displayed, correct, yeah. So I think that will be the two scenarios we can break down user A and B into.
Yep.
Mm. And we can do that with the starred email also. Instead of like just sending an email to someone, if you have got some mail, you can star them and then go to start button and check whether it is present or not, right? But I am
Yeah.
confused about the spam one. Like, how will you write? How will we usually never check spam. I will never check my spam, because I know spam is like all junk mails. But
Yep.
can spam be used as someone sending
But
you an email? So instead of coming to inbox, it has gone to spam. So will it be example of negative, like negatives testing, but pass, but pass. For example, user A has sent an email, an important email to user B. But when user B checks it in their inbox, they don't see it. Technically, it should be in inbox, but when they go to
it should be
spam,
there.
yeah, exactly. So actually, that is not the requirement. When you're sending an important mail, it should go to someone's inbox.
Yep.
So we can discuss this with sir, that will this scenario, when someone sends you an important mail but it goes to spam, is this a negative testing? Huh?
Yeah. So I am looking at the email options.
Mhm.
If you open your
Okay.
phone, right?
Yeah,
So
sure.
I click the start button.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So hold on, and I'm checking
Yeah.
at the trash and junk.
Mm-hmm.
But the junk and trash both are almost, if you,
Yeah.
yeah. So I don't know how we,
Differentiate that.
yeah, yeah.
See, I see one thing. In spam, there are multiple mails. But if
Yeah,
I
it
see,
just come as a spam. Yep.
it's like any advertising can become a
Yeah,
spam.
anything can be there.
Yeah, but if I'm looking at my trash button, I see that it is something that I have deleted. I have manually deleted it, so it has gone into the
Right.
trash. So
Yep,
this
it goes
is,
in the junk.
yeah, Yeah.
I'm little bit confused about start.
Yeah, see, on the left side of every mail, on like where you see the name of the company or individual who sends you the email. So just before their name, there is a star. So
Yep.
if you click on the star, it turns into yellow. So
I do. Yeah.
yeah, and after you do that, go to the starred button. So you will see those mails that you click that star, and then you can see them in the star button.
It's displayed or not. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you click
So
on start, no, the start page will display. In the page, obviously, the mail will be displayed. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
yes.
So yeah. So see, guys, it is
Yeah.
purely based on the requirement,
Mm-hmm.
how you understood. Okay. After
Mm-hmm.
understanding, you will get it very easily. So
Mm-hmm.
understanding requirement will be a task in your company.
Okay.
Okay. I am now working on a religious application.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Religious application means religious things should be there, no?
Mm-hmm.
So I know that. I know that actually.
Mm-hmm.
Because I am from religious family, I have that idea. So it is very easy for me to analyze the requirement.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes I will guide my team only instead of business
Mm-hmm.
analyst. No, I will
Mm-hmm.
only guide them because I know this requirement.
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, if some requirement is on some health care or some products for maintaining a proper metabolism, I can tell.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know this requirement for sure.
Mm-hmm.
I will call Rina. Rina, please,
Mm-hmm.
is there anything I need to change
Mm-hmm.
for the diets or something? What to eat, what to not eat, how to maintain, how to get a six pack. Every boy dream
Mm-hmm.
needs to get a six pack, but
Mm-hmm.
99% will get failed. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Since they will do exercise, but still don't know why. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
And woman is having many problems because of imbalanced diet. Not
Mm-hmm.
only 100 problems.
Mm-hmm.
Boy is
Yeah.
having one problem, six pack, but girl is having 100 problems. So
Mm-hmm.
how we will carry that? How we will treatment what you will give instead of giving the medicine? How can
Mm-hmm.
you handle? So Reena
Mm-hmm.
will help me. Yes or no, Reena?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Next, when
Yeah.
it comes to you, I don't
Mm-hmm.
know how to teach for 8th standard students or 9th
Mm-hmm.
standard students or 5th standard students or
Mm-hmm.
Right.
11th, 12th students. I can
Mm-hmm.
teach for the professional who knows everything,
Mm-hmm.
who is having
Okay.
an idea, who is having a degree.
Mm-hmm.
But how to handle this type of people?
Mm-hmm.
What strategies I need to use or how to
Mm-hmm.
teach? Got it? So that and
Yes.
all what I need
Yeah.
to do. I need to come to home.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? I need to ask whom?
So Prerna.
Prerna. Oh.
Yes,
Prerna,
sir.
please guide me because you
Yeah.
know that field. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
I am the domain expert of
Mm-hmm.
who is he? Who is me? I am a domain
Mm-hmm.
expert
Religion.
of religious domain,
Religious.
Religion.
and
Yep.
Yes.
she is healthcare domain. She is a
Healthcare.
domain expert of healthcare domain. Who? Reena.
Healthcare.
No.
Reena is the domain
Rina.
expert now,
Hmm.
Hmm.
and you will be the education domain expert. Got
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
And I have done the teaching for from many years, and I know this requirement. So
Mm-hmm.
again, I
Right.
can tell I am a domain expert of these things.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Similarly,
Mm-hmm.
understanding requirement is important. Once you understand the
Correct.
requirement, later it
Mm.
is very easy for you guys to write the scenarios. Until
Okay.
unless you don't know the requirement, it is very difficult for you. So
Okay.
now I will tell you many positive scenarios
Mm-hmm.
and many negative also,
Okay.
but you need to write it later or
Okay.
the video will be there, no? Or like you can
Yes, sir.
refer that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So log into Gmail as user A, compose a mail, send a mail to user B, go to sent items, check whether the mail is displayed. Okay, yes or no?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is one important
Scenario. Positive.
scenario.
Yes.
Next, open. Since I logged in, there is no need of login again because I need to log out. No, then only I can log in. Now
Correct.
see, my second
Yeah.
scenario says, first scenario you guys understood that I'm sent a
Yes.
mail and I'm going to send items and checking the mail is displayed. Second mail, open the Gmail as user A, compose a mail, send a mail to user B. You need to send to someone.
Okay.
Log out as user A. Okay. Log in as
Okay.
user B. Here you need to log in as user B. So as soon as you
Right.
log into user B, where you need to go? You need to go for inbox.
Correct.
Inbox.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Rina, understanding?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Compose a mail, send a mail to user B.
Hmm.
User B's
Okay.
inbox, that mail should be present. So what I'll do, I will log out as user A and I'll log into user B. Why I am logging out and logging in means I'm a test engineer where I'm having only one device.
Right.
I don't have multiple devices. So I will use a login and log out thing. Okay.
Okay.
So go to inbox, check whether the mail is displayed. If the mail is displayed, then I can tell my testing is pass. Yes or no?
Yes,
If
sir.
it is not
Yeah.
displayed, then I will tell, then it is like it is a defect. Mail is
Yes.
not displayed. So compose a mail. Next I am in user B now. Next I will do, once after scenario is completed, now go to inbox, check whether the mail is displayed. Later, comma, you can click on log out in your scenario only.
Okay.
Okay.
Because you have tested, no? Done. So
Right.
the final step you can make it as log out as well. Next,
Mm-hmm.
fourth scenario,
So
login as
as a
user
B.
A.
User.
Login as user A because I logged out, no? My previous
Yeah.
scenario.
Yeah. Yeah.
So login as user A to Gmail. Compose a mail, send a mail. Go to all mails. Go to all mails. Check whether the mail is displayed.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Again.
question.
Yeah.
Sir, should we also write that enter the email address in the text in the uh,
No. No, no, no,
text
no,
field
no,
of
no,
the
no, no,
no,
no, no,
nothing is
no.
needed? Okay, okay.
Because that is a test case.
Oh, okay.
Detailed documentation, I told no.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Compose a mail is different. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So writing a test case is different. Okay. Let me go with one test case, no? So you will be better understand. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
So have you written the test cases, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We send it to you
Not
as
sure.
well.
Sir,
Sent.
I emailed you in the
Okay.
yesterday
Yeah.
or night. Yeah.
Okay. Let
Yep.
me write the scenario.
Okay.
Let me write the scenario here. Okay, one of the scenario I'm writing. Log in to Gmail as user. Always user A? No, you can take anything. Log into Gmail as
So what
user
else
A.
you can use, sir?
You should not
If
put
you
a
are not
name.
using A.
You should not use a name, but you can use user or employee
User
something.
you can use numbers like number.
User
User
one,
one.
two. Yeah.
User 1, user 2.
Fine. Okay. Log into Gmail as user A. Compose a mail and send it to user B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Navigate to sent items and check whether whether the mail is displayed. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this is my scenario. So let me write the test case for this now. So can you tell what and all the items should be, or the features should be present in my test case? Step number. Next.
Action, description.
Or okay, next.
Input.
Input.
Input. Next.
Expected result.
Next.
Next,
Actual result.
yeah, actual result.
Action result. Actual result.
Actual
Sorry.
result. So actual result will be while executing the test case. So we will not include this, okay, while writing the test scenario. But for your understanding, I'm writing that, okay?
Okay.
So
I have questions, sir. In a real life job,
excuse me.
usually people make a inbox or they write a scenario.
Usually,
Do they make an inbox? Like, they write the scenario and test cases in a box, or they just do it in wordings and sentences?
box means like this, huh?
Yeah, the box. No. The
I
box
told
you are
you, no?
creating. Right?
Test case box, I
This
think.
is test case. This is
Text
a
case.
template.
Yeah.
This is a template. We should write here only.
Okay.
This is a standard. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
This will be a standard, like the prescription how doctor will give. That time you can see some box, no? Serial number, some story, how much you need to take, date, like that. Okay, it is one of the box. Okay. Now let us see our step number 1. Okay. What is my step number 1? Open the browser and enter the URL. Yes or no?
URL. Yep.
What will be the URL?
www.gmail.com.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Okay. So after this,
login page should be displayed.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our expected result.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, my second step. What is my second step?
Enter the username and password.
Valid username
and password.
And
click into the login button.
Yeah.
And click on the login button. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the username? We need to give the input, no?
Yeah.
1A @ something. Okay.
Yeah. Yep. Create a password.
Hello. So much headache. Typing.
True. True.
Okay. Now, again, now tell me, if you enter valid username password, what should display?
Home page.
Home page, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, home page is displayed. Let me take an example. Home page is displayed. Next, what I need to do?
It should contain all the modules, sir, that
And
would do on the
Yes,
top.
very good. So,
yeah.
very good. But when to write, sir? So, when I'm doing the functional testing, first time I logged in to my application, that time I need to verify whether all these items are present or not. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right.
For every test case, no need to write again, because that we have covered. We have covered while doing functional testing, and we ensured that inbox, junk, sent item, starred, spam, all mails, important, logout, everything, all they were, whatever the features are there in the requirement, all are present. That I have already verified one time. So no need to check one more time. Got it?
Yeah.
So home page should be displayed. That's it. Next,
Right.
Next,
Click
click
onto
on
the
inbox.
inbox
click
button.
on compose and click on the compose button. Okay. You just click on that one. After clicking, there will be no input. So what I'll do? Not
No
applicable.
application.
So compose page should be
Displayed.
displayed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So next, my fourth step will be
Select the mail. Right.
enter the
Mail.
values in the compose, or enter the valid values or valid inputs. Anything is fine. Okay.
Okay. Then
The
not the email, sir.
compose in the compose.
So,
Compose
meaning
page
that
is
we are
okay.
writing.
I will explain. I
Yeah.
will explain. The
Okay.
compose and click on send button.
Okay.
See, what I'm writing here is, if you're clicking on compose is
Okay.
consist
Got
of
it.
so many things. Okay. It means from to CC, BCC, subject, body, attachment, got it? So that is what
Yeah.
I'm speaking about. So now let us see what and all. From will be yours, your mail ID, two mail ID you need to enter.
Oh, okay.
You need to mention all the inputs.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Next, if you want to put CC means carbon copy.
Yes, sir.
There is something called as BCC.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by BCC?
Blind carbon copy.
Very good. It means it will not show their name. Let us take an example of Prerana. Some subject I need to enter, no?
Yes, sir.
Subject, I will enter hello.
Yeah.
Something.
Right.
Yeah.
Body I need to enter
Oh.
hi team. Okay. These things are my inputs. These things are my
Okay.
inputs. Got it?
Yes.
Where?
Yeah.
In the mail. In the mail.
In the mail. Yeah.
Understanding, no, what and all inputs I have to give.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes.
and all should be mentioned where? In the
In the
test
input.
case. In the test case.
Yes, sir.
Not in
Okay.
the test scenario. Now understood?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, once after this,
Yeah.
click on send button. What I will get is mail sent confirmation Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Message should be displayed.
Yep.
Got
Okay.
it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You will get a mail. As soon as you send a mail, you will get this type of notification. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Rina, no
Yeah.
confident voice.
Um,
There is no confidence in your yes, sir.
yeah. I'm getting the points. Yep.
So next, once after this is done, no, we will go to the next
Mm-hmm.
step now. So we have sent the mail, confirmation message we have received. Next, fifth step I'm going. What is my fifth step?
Navigate to sent mails.
Yes, navigate, sent items, and click on it. Okay, am I giving any input?
No.
No, not applicable.
So, what page should display?
Sent items.
Sent items page should be displayed along with the mail.
Correct.
Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Why
Yeah.
along with the mail? Because I already shared that message, or I already sent the mail, so I'm looking for that particular mail only.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yeah.
if the mail is displayed, then I can tell my testing is passed. So for example, what happened to my mouse? Okay, it's looking. Log into Gmail, compose a mail and send mail to user B. User B is here something QWERTY@gmail.com. Okay. Navigate to sent items and check whether the mail is displayed. So compose a mail. This is the data, and you are checking whether the data is displayed or not. Yes or no? This is the data you are.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
what I'm doing here, I'm compose here. Compose a mail and click on send button. It means compose a mail means I have composed one of the mail which is having this input and I am sending that mail. As soon as I send, I will go and I will check whether the mail is displayed.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
You can even check the two. Sorry. So the two CC, BCC, hello, these things you can check.
Yeah.
Obviously, the same thing will be present. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is how I will write the test case for this particular scenario. Assume
Okay.
if I go to compose a mail, send a mail to user B, log out as user A, log in as user B, go to inbox, check whether the mail is display means what I'll do, compose a mail and click on send button. I'll send confirmation message should be displayed. Next here I will add a step. Click on log out button.
Correct.
Input not applicable. Page. As soon as you log out, no, what page will display?
Home
Login page. Login
yeah.
page.
Login.
Page should display.
Yeah.
Not home page. Next up.
Yeah.
Enter a valid
Username and
password and
for
click
user.
on login button. No, for user B you should not mention. The data you should not mention.
Oh.
The
Okay.
steps only you should mention. And here while writing username and password, here you can change the data, like username and password for user B will be different. Yes or no?
Correct. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
As soon as you enter and click on login button, what page should be displayed? Home page should be displayed.
Home page. Correct.
Whose home page? User B's home page. Yes or no?
Yes. Yep.
Next, same. Click on navigate to what items? Inbox, right? Inbox and click on it.
Inbox. Yep.
Not applicable.
Not applicable.
Inbox page should be displayed along with the mail.
Correct.
Along with the mailer, then I can tell my testing is passed. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is how to write the test case. Now just copy down this one.
Yes, sir.
I think both of you understood, no? So
yes.
you can ask me, sir, why you are stopping the steps here and here or here? For each and every expected result, you should end your step. For each and every expected result means for each and every action, you should wait for some
Yeah.
reaction. No, reaction will be there. It means after
Yeah.
sending a mail, confirmation message will display. No,
Yes, sir.
so,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
so confirmation message is displaying means something the application is behaving. That is what
Right.
I'm telling. You should make a step such a way that for each and every expected result, you need to end the step.
End the
Right.
step. Okay.
When to end the step? Whenever there is a expected result, or else you what you will do, open the browser, enter the URL, and enter the valid username password. Click on login button. These two steps you will merge into one step. That is wrong.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Click on compose button, enter the valid inputs, and compose a mail and send a mail. Wrong. Two steps you are merging. Or what
Okay.
you will do? Enter the URL, enter the username, one step, enter the password, second step, click on login
Yeah.
button, third step. That is also wrong. Complete action for one expected result. Again,
Okay.
complete action for one expected result. That is how you need to write the test case. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, write down.
So
Yeah. Yes.
yeah, so like you said earlier, right? So there is no, we are not going to work around actual results, right? This is the expected result
Mm-hmm.
is the end. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Because there is no software. We don't have a
Yeah.
software.
Yeah.
Sir, we were discussing this when you stepped out for some time.
Mm,
Sir, what about suppose
mm,
user A has sent an email to user B.
mm.
So technically, user B should see the mail in the inbox. But
Yes,
sometimes it happens that instead of inbox, the mail goes to spam.
yes.
So will it be like a negative testing which got passed?
No, no, it is not negative.
Uh-huh.
What will happen sometimes some confidential documents they will send.
Uh,
In the
Yeah.
mail, there is an option called as confidential.
okay.
Right.
That will go to spam instead of going to
Oh,
inbox. That is also there in the requirement.
oh, okay.
Like
Okay.
your offer letter
Mm-hmm.
or some interview letters or some mails which is very important. Doctor prescriptions, something, no.
Yes, sir.
Right.
That those are very important, so that will go on present in the spam.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
So, sir, in that case, the user should directly go and check in the spam instead of inbox.
That is true, but check in inbox, and also if the mail is not displayed in the inbox, go to spam and check.
Uh-huh. Okay.
That you can't call it as a defect because the requirement says like that.
Okay. Okay.
Important
Okay.
mail should
Got
be
it.
present in the spam. That is the requirement.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Mhm.
If that will be the defect, no. Why Google
Uh-huh.
is required these many years to fix the defect?
Correct. Yeah. Yes, sir.
You
Mm-hmm.
want just 15 minutes or 10 minutes to fix that.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you scroll up so we can see the table that you created? Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, can we take a screenshot of this?
Take.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that will be faster.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay. Me too, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
So now let us go and remove this. I told you to write the scenarios. I need to make some negative scenarios as well. Positive, you understood that sending a mail. And go to inbox, select a mail, make it a starred. Okay. Make it a starred. Navigate to start, check whether the mail is displayed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Navigate to sent item, select a mail, make it as important. Go to important, check whether the mails are displayed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Compose a mail, send a mail is different. Cancel a mail.
Right.
Go to draft, check whether the mail is displayed. Enter the invalid to. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wrong to account where you want to send the mail. No, there will be a compose page. There will be two. No.
Yes,
Enter
sir.
the invalid. Send a mail. Okay. Go to outbox. Check whether the mail is displayed. But you need to wait for few minutes. That and all leave. You understood, I think. Next.
Yes.
If you make it a start, still it will show in all mails. You can write the scenario for that.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
And from the draft again, there is a mail and you send the mail and you cancel the mail that is in the draft. So let me tell the scenario properly. Log into Gmail as user A, compose a mail, cancel the mail. Go to draft, check whether the mail is displayed.
Okay.
Open the Gmail as user A, go to draft, select the mail, compose the mail and send the mail for user B. Go to sent items, check whether the mail is displayed. Got it? You have done the data flow and you are checking. You have done the data flow and you are checking. Now negative. Positive, you understood that from where you are sending to where and you are checking there. Negative. Compose a mail, send a mail to user B. Go to inbox of user A only. Check whether the mail is displayed.
Right.
You are sending the data from A module to B module, but you are going and checking in a C module where the mail should not display. Assume if the mail is displayed in inbox, no. When can you check whether the mail is displayed in inbox or not? In the software only you can check. You are assuming the negative scenario based on your analytical thinking. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, see, sent items at inbox are relatively similar type of modules because user A's sent items will be user B's inbox. Got it?
Yeah.
Like how I checked cart and also the spam, whatever
Wish
list.
list.
Got it? Similar type. So I will check for the negative over here. Not in every module. Again, check box, check whether the mail is start, check whether the mail spam, check whether the mail is display important, check whether the mail. Not like that.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
One or two modules which is relatively similar. That time I will check. Next, I will compose a mail, send a mail to user B, log out as user A, login as user B, go to spam, check whether the mail is displayed. Got it? Because sometimes the mail will come to spam as well.
Yeah. Yep.
That if the mail is present, if you may make the mail as important mail or confidential mail, there is option confidential. Select as a confidential. If you select that and if you send, obviously you should go for the spam and you need to check. So go and check.
Yeah.
Positive. Next, negative. Send a mail.
Okay.
Go to start and check. If you send a mail, no confidential mail, chances are that it might be present in important also. I don't know because important sounds like something
Start.
confidential.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So I will go and check in the important.
Okay. But it will not be present.
It will not be present. If it is
Yeah.
present,
That's a
means
negative.
defect.
Hmm.
Yeah. That's a defect.
Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
how will you handle? This is done. Next, I will
Hmm.
go to inbox. I will
Hmm.
select a mail and I will make it a starred. Starred
Hmm.
and important same. I can make a mail as starred and I can make a mail as a important as well.
Hmm.
Right.
So how
Okay.
will you make? I make it as a start because it both are similar type of feature. And I will
Hmm.
go to start and I will check whether the mail is displayed. That is my positive. Later I
Hmm.
will go to I will make it a start and
Important.
but I will go and check in important.
Hmm.
So whatever the positive scenarios I am telling, that is positive. Whatever
Hmm.
I am telling the negative data flow, that is negative.
Hmm.
So I
Okay.
want you to write and submit at
Hmm.
least 30 scenarios, at
So
least
30.
30, yeah,
Okay.
30 scenarios where you should cover at least 15 positive and 15 negative.
Okay. On the same,
Yeah, same. This much only requirement.
these are
Okay.
the requirement, the compose and
Yes.
up to the login, logout,
Yeah. Up to draft.
up to draft. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Here.
Sorry.
Okay.
You
So
take this
30.
logout here. Yeah.
Okay.
So
30.
scenarios. Okay.
Yeah. Scenarios. And if you want to write, if you find a time, no, because you will be not having classes. So you can write
Okay.
the test case as well. This
Okay.
will be your assignment.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes.
30 scenarios, right? And 15 positive and 15 negative.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. I
Hmm.
think integration you understood, guys.
Yes, sir.
So there are
Yeah.
some types of integration. Let me guide you in the next class. Before
Hmm.
that, I will give you introduction on next topic.
Okay.
Okay.
Very important and very easy concept is usability testing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What is this?
Usability testing.
Usability testing or cosmetic
Oh.
flaw testing.
Mm-hmm.
See, as soon as I said cosmetic, no,
Mm-hmm.
Prerna is saying, wow. Why?
No, sir,
Why?
I didn't. I was like, oh, okay. Because, sir,
Oh,
I'll tell you, like, I told
oh
my
is
husband.
different. Wow is different. Huh? Okay.
No, no, sir. I'll tell you why I did that because
Huh,
I told my husband that today's topic is usability testing, and he
huh,
was mentioning the same word. It's like it's a cosmetic testing. So I was like, oh,
huh.
okay. So what he was telling, you are also using the same word. So I was like,
So you
wonder.
understood that?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
uh, I will give one simple example, guys. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You will understand better way because you are a woman, no? What you will understand beautifully.
Mm-hmm.
There is one girl. There is one girl. Okay.
Mm.
I'm very good at drawings, but you need to understand.
Yes.
This is a lip,
Mm.
face,
Mm.
ears.
Mm.
Here also hairs is there. Yes. This is a girl.
Mm.
Okay.
Take an example, okay?
Yeah.
Mm.
So usability testing or cosmetic flaw testing. Let me
Mm.
take this is a software now.
Mm.
There are some rules or regulations or some strategies which makes the applications look very cool. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Some rules or regulations or some makeup kit, how will you use, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Similarly, we need to do makeup for the application.
Mm-hmm.
So how can we do that? Okay, that is what we will do in the usability testing. Usability testing means putting a makeup to the girl.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cosmetic means what? Makeup kit only, no?
Makeup.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Similarly, that is what we'll call it as a usability testing. So testing the look and feel of an application. Okay, is called as usability testing. What is this? Look and feel of an application. Look and feel means what? How you are looking the application and how you are feeling the application. Got it?
Yes,
That is what we'll call it as a usability
usability
test.
testing.
Sir, how can you tell that look and feel is good, sir? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So there are two types in this. Okay, what is that? Let me see later. In the two types, one is yellow box testing,
Okay.
and one more is okay. One more is graphic user interface testing, GUI testing. Okay, graphic user interface testing. So how can you tell that the application is user friendly or not? Okay.
Okay.
Look and feel of the application should be good. So what do you mean by look and feel of an application? Okay, one second. I will give you example so you will understand. Let me take Amazon or Flipkart. Let me take Agio. Okay, see this.
Yeah. Like
Okay.
you're looking at something that how you feel,
Look,
you like that item or not.
there is something called as, what is this? Game accessories. Shopping for home. Shop
Yeah.
deals in fashion. Okay. Something glass is there, music is there, dumbbells is there, something watches came, trimmer came. Okay, let us see our Geo. One beautiful girl came. What is this? Click here. And she's telling click here. Hey, boss. To go back to home page. So okay. Some application is there. I think NAYKAA something is there. Okay. This is also one of the application for this type of makeup items or something, dresses or something and all. Maybe dresser is not there, I think. Okay. Okay, let me take Agio and Myntra. Okay, let me take Amazon only. You understood that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me go to Amazon is like a market where you will find all the things. Let me go for the clothes department, baby or men fashion. Directly go for men fashion, clothing. Okay, let me go for clothing. There is only clothing domain is there and Agio men's clothing. Again, I will go for, got it.
Yeah.
So as soon as you see this software and Okay, let me go for clothes as well. This shows. Okay, he's specifically having a brand-wise sorting as well. See here, Tommy Ellie for US Polo Superdry. I mean, okay, this is what I'm telling. Okay, see how beautifully the application is looking here.
Yeah.
Similarly, how beautifully it is looking, which is
Yeah.
looking fine, which is looking good.
Yeah.
The other one, sir.
This one, huh?
Yeah. Because it has the whole features.
Whole features and also the images clarity is good and the
Yep.
background color and this
Yeah.
font colors you observe. Here
Yeah.
the font colors you observe
Mm.
and got
It's
it right.
small.
The
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
arrangement or look and feel
Yeah.
is not that
Yes.
much great. This is what
Ah.
I will tell. This is usability testing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Basically, presentable.
Yeah.
Which one looks more presentable?
Yes.
correct.
Got it.
Yeah. Yes.
So
Yeah.
look and feel of an application should be good. That is what
Hmm.
my first point.
Hmm.
Okay.
The look and feel is good means obviously they have done this cosmetic for testing.
Yes.
Next step. I think asterisk spelling. Let me check. ASTRIASTRI. I think. CK.
What are
Okay.
you trying to?
Asterisk.
Oh,
Asterisk. Asterisk.
I think I mentioned this word now. Asterisk symbol
Yes.
should be
I don't
present.
know about that. Probably
No.
before I start.
No. While doing functional testing only I told. Okay,
It's for the
let me
mandatory
yeah.
thing.
Asterisk symbol should be present for
Hmm.
all the mandatory text fields
Okay.
or mandatory components. Only text fields, sorry. Okay, this is very important. So what do you mean by mandatory? Okay, let me
Important.
sign up or login. See here, star symbol is there. I enter your mobile number. There is star symbol.
Yeah.
Can I tell? Then I can convey you that yes, they have used some usability properly. Let me log into them.
Hmm.
Is there any asterisk symbol?
No.
No. No.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, then Amazon is having these many defects, sir. See, Amazon only I'm showing, no? So asterisk
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
symbol is not there without, okay, then it is
Yeah.
not mandatory. They are not mentioned anything, no asterisk symbol. I'm
Correct.
just
Yeah.
clicking on continue. Later they are showing enter your email or mobile number. So it is mandatory.
Okay.
So for
Okay.
mandatory is not given any start. See here,
Correct.
it is
Yes, sir.
mandatory.
Hmm.
Please enter valid mobile
Okay.
number. So can I
Hmm.
tell that it is completely done with the usability testing? Yes or no? Hachio
So,
is very good in
Uh,
the yeah.
so sir, look and feel is not only about the graphics. It it
Yes.
is
So
also about. Uh-huh.
yes. It is not
Okay.
only look and feel. There is a girl. She should have
Hmm.
eyes, nose,
Hmm.
ears,
That is
chin.
also important.
Got it?
Hmm.
No.
yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Got it.
Or else it is not look and feel. If she put 1 kg makeup also, it's not a useful thing.
Hmm.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So she
Got it.
should have everything on her face.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Similarly, that is what I'm conveying. Okay.
Hmm.
Next, placeholders should be present in the text fields.
Hmm.
Why placeholders? What do you mean by placeholders? The wording, let me take Achia whether it is having or not. I don't know. Okay. Since I can't consider this as a text field because enter mobile number, it is suggesting me properly.
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this is also, I mean, suggestion wise, it is very good. So let me go for, okay, see, first and last name.
Last name.
Got it.
That
So
is
it is
place.
suggesting at least 6 characters.
Hmm.
Mobile number. So whatever the thing he is added is very good.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go for Facebook now. Okay, I will log in with the Facebook. So no asterisk symbol,
Yeah.
no placeholder. Can I tell Facebook is done properly their job? No. Sir,
No.
why they have missed all these things, sir? Because the application will not look so good if they add that. See,
Oh.
asterisk symbol, since they have mentioned, it is very small amount. I mean, the size is very small, so we are considering it. Or if they keep it as a very big or something, no, I feel this is something like a government application, because in government application you can see very big stars and all. Like for example, let me take an example of any exams, railway. If I completely left my government because government exams and all I used to follow. Which exams are there, how much you need to pay, when to write exam and all. Later, ongoing. Okay. So later I understood that, okay, I can't clear because of reservation again.
Correct.
If
Yeah.
reservations are not there, no, I can crack. I will put my 2 years of efforts, I will crack.
Yeah.
But reservations are there, I can't keep my 2 years as waste. So reservation is not correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These many years it is done. That is fine. But future also, if it is there, then I need to send my daughter or son to US only for studies.
Yep.
Obviously. Why
Yep.
Indians are leaving India? Because
Correct.
that is the
Yes,
main
sir.
reason.
That is the main reason. Yes, sir.
Exams. Okay, why to worry? Exams, no? Enter. Okay. What I'll do, I'll go to images. I'll go to images and I will exam application. So see here, where is that image? Hey boss. Okay, see here only, I think it is visible. Education qualification star, name star. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So the mandatory text fields, they will highlight like anything, big stars they will mention. You
Correct.
got it, no?
Yeah.
Let me take this
Yeah.
example.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what my private applications will feel, they feel that this is looks like a government application, so let me not give that.
Oh.
Got it?
Okay.
So,
Got it.
Yes, sir.
but when you click on continue, they will show error message.
Right.
That is what I'm conveying you. But when it comes to look and feel, no, obviously there should be a asterisk symbol, and for the text fields there should be a placeholder. Okay. Next, error message says that if you click on continue, please enter a valid mobile number. My error message should display at a proper page. Okay. It means, let me tell, I don't know. I'm a newcomer to the application. I don't know what to enter. I click on continue. There is some error message. So the error message information should be clear, like enter at least one character. Got it? So
Yeah.
here at least I need to enter something. So proper error message should be displayed at a proper place again. It means if error message, let me take one example. I think Bihar University something is there. University something. I think Bihar University. Yeah. Okay. Where is login? Online. No calendar. Contact us. There is no login, na?
I don't see.
Just a minute. Home page, about us. Let me go for another link. Okay. So what I'm doing here is, okay, it is not enabled file. About student. Okay. Let me enter something, no? 0 plus 7 is 8. Let me mention.
It's not taking the submit.
Yeah.
If I enter answer properly, then only it will take. Very good.
Yes, sir. No, invalid roll number.
Roll number is invalid.
Mm.
Okay, then it is working fine. If it is working fine, we should not test.
Okay.
It is already tested. There was some login page for this. I used to take as an example. What is the time over there?
10:30, 10:40.
Yeah,
Okay.
10:40.
Okay. It is also showing. See what I'm trying to convey you is, if I not enter username password and click on login, no. Here I will get invalid username, or here I will get invalid password. The error messages, whatever it is display, no, it should display at near to that particular text fields. That is what my my application will tell, or my usability testing will tell, that proper error message should display at the proper places. You understood, na?
Yes, sir.
I will try to get examples, but I think if you find immediately, it may take some time. So you understood the look and feel of an application, no?
Yes, sir.
Asterisk symbol,
Yes.
Yeah.
placeholders,
Yes.
Yeah.
and proper
Yes.
error message should be displayed at proper
Proper
places.
places. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is
Yeah.
also one of the point in the usability testing. There are many other points. Okay, let us discuss those points tomorrow. These 4 points you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like in the next class, I will guide you on these points again, and we
Yes,
can
sir.
continue the class.
Sure.
Now,
Okay.
I think this much is fine and enough. You guys, what you need to do, 30 scenarios you need to write, 15 positive and 15 negative.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to copy this, leave some 2 pages later copy, because some integration concepts are there that I will guide you in the next class as well.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
So
Yeah,
if you
thank
have
you.
any doubts while writing that scenarios, you can
Yes.
message. Got
Sure.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Definitely.
Then we can catch up Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Bye bye.
Uh,
Okay, bye.
bye. Bye.
Yeah. Night.
Yeah.
Bye.
Any doubts?
No, no, no. There is no doubt.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Then yeah. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye.